Mom walks in, your mom's wondering what you come out of the bathroom, Jeremiah, you just flushed it 3 times. Yeah, what are you doing? Entertaining my friend.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Well, see, first I pooed, and then I had to pee, and then I just started jerking off, and, I just, let it go on the toilet water.
Then I realized, oh wow, I could do this for longer than 5 seconds.
I'm not really
You
quite.
get
Let's
30
play
gems.
3
You
games
win 3
as a
games.
Mayan god.
Alright.
I'm not floating
Why do you say
anymore.
that?
I'm not hovering anymore.
Oh yeah.
I'm walking on my
Why do you
legs.
like hovering? I like walking. It feels natural.
Wonder
Your mom's
why.
natural.
Oh, get out of my life.
Sorry, Nathan.
Get out.
See, and Kevin said I used to do it with Sandy in the bathroom, but she left, and Nathan's the next best thing. So.
Oh. Okay.
I get it. Kevin said he gets to try the best of both worlds.
Well, at least he doesn't think I'm gay. I'm completely fine with that.
Oh my gosh, shut up! Jeremiah, Kevin thinks I'm gay.
I think you're gay too.
Are you serious? Okay, answer seriously. Do you seriously think I'm gay?
Because you are.
Yeah.
I'm not.
You did the Caitlyn
Nasty.
thing only because you didn't want to be thought of as gay. But then since you gave it
Totally.
to her,
Totally.
No,
you
he
I
only went out
totally
with her
claim
because she got a sex change.
Y'all thinking of 2 different Caitlins, and I hate y'all. No!
Okay.
Because
Hold
I'm
on.
not.
Let me ask. Hold on, let me get my phone out.
I'll cover you, fam. I'll cover you.
I'm not gay.
Okay, Google. How do I
That's
tell
what
if
they
my
all
friend
say.
Jacob is gay?
Not tell.
Oh,
Just ask
fine.
if he is.
Nathan, we can't hear the thing.
Hold on, yeah, I didn't
We
do it.
can't
Okay,
hear
Google.
the Google thing.
How do I tell if my friend Jacob is
We
gay?
still can't hear it.
He's just gonna read what it says.
No, I don't believe he's actually doing it though.
You're gay, Jacob.
I feel like he's just saying
53111 YouTube. How do you tell if your guy friend is gay? So. Okay, Jacob, we're gonna ask
when
you
he
a
tries to
series
suck
of
on your nipples.
questions.
Oh my god.
I'm joking. I'm joking.
Do it, actually. I wanna do this. I wanna do
No,
this.
there's really no questions. So.
Yeah.
I'll
Sure
refuse to
is.
answer all of them. Because I don't want to answer them wrong.
Okay. Oh wait. Oh hey,
It's
dude.
gonna be a
Oh
good
my
one.
god,
Just
put
wait
the
and
stupid
see.
Pikachu away. Are you kidding me? We're playing